Local news for Monday the 5th of March. The New Zealand Cafe of the Year winners are set to be announced this week, with the Cleveland Bakery Carterton up for Best Rural Cafe. Category winners, People's Choice and the overall winner are set to be announced on Wednesday. Surgical staff are smiling at Wairarapa DHB with the delivery of $600,000 worth of orthopaedic surgical equipment. The equipment has been purchased by Selina Sutherland for use across both private and public hospitals. And Roland Smith is the 2018 Golden Cheers champion, with David Buick, the best of the locals, coming in a close second.